the Lake Champlain chapter of the Antique and Classic Boat Show happens in conjunction with just a great festival on the shores of Lake Champlain in Burlington, the Lake Champlain Maritime Festival. There'll be multiple thousands of people going through here today. We'll be following some. Good morning from Lake Champlain Antique and Classic Boat Society Boat Show on Lake Champlain, our 30th annual. We're here today to join about 25 other Chris Crafts, as well as about 30 other wooden boats and classic fiberglass boats. My boat at the show is my 1952 18-foot Riviera runabout. As I said in yesterday's video, we're splashing her for the first time today. Look at that, she's actually floating. I'll keep you abreast of things through the day, and thank you so much for considering Snake Mountain Boatworks. Please come down to the Community Boathouse, Burlington, Vermont today. It's free. It's going to be incredible. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. So before the sun moves and the place fills up with boats, we were the first Chris Craft to arrive. I wasn't too anxious, was I? Guess how much I slept last night? You don't want to know. I won't even feel it today. But here she is. Bill's pump isn't running. I'm sure she's taking on some water. Her KBL fired instantaneously this morning. What we have learned about this big Flathead 6 is that you have to give her about a minute running on half choke to warm up enough to where she idles and accelerates smoothly as you add RPMs. Well, we'll add more as more boats arrive. So it's about noon and the crowds have moved in. She's pretty much been completely replanked. So in my world, she's not really an old boat. Here's an early Chris triple cockpit, actually two of them side by side. Beautiful, beautiful boats, very stately, very elegant on the water, not fast enough for me. As we pan around, see, we have quite a collection of Chris Crafts. It's a nice U-22.
Complete, just the way it is.
Another Lyman.
And there were quite a few on that.
Chris Craft Holiday. That's Keith's boat. It's really a beauty. So we have, as I said, a great crowd here enjoying the day. Nice breeze, not too excessively hot. And at this point, we are just over 50 boats. Paul, you having a good time?
I'm gassed out already, Mike.
Tell me about your boat.
1940 Lux Runabout, model 17.
And a K engine or?
No, B.
A B. Four-cylinder B.
Yeah.
Beautiful lines.
Thank you.
And the old pre-war black steering wheel, huh?
There you go, 3 spokes.
Just beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Too. Enjoy the show.
I really like the U-22s.
You'd be interested. There's not a screw in this boat.
There's not a screw in this boat. Oh, that's right. It's all glued together?
Yeah. The frames are.
Right, right. But all the decking and planking.
The side planking and the decking is all glued. Transom.
That means no bungs.
You got it. Look at it.
Wouldn't that be fun?
No bone. Nothing to pop up. Nothing to be proud.
Sorry. No problem. So that'll give you a taste of today. We'll run till about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Hope you came down. Hope you're enjoying the festivities yourself. Thank you very much from Snake Mountain Boatworks. Bye-bye.